Hey, what's up guys? In this video, you're going to learn how to install gutters. How's that with me in my house? What I'm going to be doing in this video is actually reposting one of my videos from a ways back. And the reason why I'm reposting that is I've gotten, if you look at the video, it's gotten several 100,000 views. It actually went viral there for a little bit. I got a lot of requests over the years. They would love the video without the background noise. I've removed all the background noise on the video, and the video is still comparable for 2019, 2020. It doesn't matter. In the video, you're going to learn how to install gutters professionally, which is the key. Before I did this video today, I searched through YouTube just to see what was out there on how to install gutters. There's a lot of real professional videos with extremely well-known names on how to install gutters, so I watched the videos. The videos do not give you a demonstration on the way a professional would install gutters or even the tools. It seems like it's more biased towards your local hardware store type installation. If you're a homeowner and you want to know how to install gutters professionally and what you're going to need so you can do a job that actually lasts, watch this video. And also right down below, I have a parts list of all the material and the tools you'll need to purchase. The professional ones, the ones you're going to want to use that will actually last and give you the kind of job you're looking to get from doing a DIY. And that's the main reason why I'm making this video, so that you as a homeowner, with all the years in business, I see so many DIYers out there doing the installations wrong because they come on the YouTube and they find videos that's not really giving them real direction or real tools. This video is simple. I look at myself in the video and I do kind of cringe a little. It looks like I might have been a little medicated. Maybe I was at the time. But either way, the video, just pay attention. It's very helpful. It's going to give you a complete parts list. And plus, it's a demonstration. The parts list is down below. So here we go, guys. I'm going to start the video now. Thanks for joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover how to install a gutter. We're going to give you a quick demonstration on how you would install it and the exact tools you'll need to do it properly, the way a professional would if you was to get it installed by a professional gutter installer. The gutter that we're installing now is a 17-foot, 2.5-inch gutter, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to install that, what you're going to need to install it properly. So what we have here now is we have the seamless gutter machine with the coil. We have the gutter. Now, if you're doing a DIY on the gutter, you're a homeowner, you're obviously not going to have a gutter machine. Now, you can contact, I don't recommend you go to any of your local hardware stores. The gutter material just isn't going to be adequate. It's not going to be a material that's really going to last. This is a heavier gauge gutter. What you're going to want to do to get your gutter supplies, you can contact any of your local building supply stores. That's who you're going to want to look up, maybe online, do a Google search, or in your local phone book. Just contact a building supply store. They're going to have a good quality gutter, and they're going to have the right material that you'll need to do the gutter installation. Like I said, this gutter here is a 17-foot, 2.5-inch, so we're going to run this out, and I'm going to show you how to put it all together and to get it up. We have the tape measure. We're running this out now. Now I'll stop it here just to set this. So that'll be your 17, 2.5. Now we'll take the tape measure, take it off there. We're going to get the hangers. These are the hangers we're going to put in the gutter. These are hang fast hangers. You're definitely going to want to make a note of this. So far we have the gutter. Seamless gutter. If you don't have the machine, you'll contact your building supply to get the lengths of gutter that you will need. The best way to measure for a gutter is you're going to measure off the roof shingle itself, and you're going to add an extra 1/2 inch. And then you're going to need the hang fast hanger. This is or reinforced inside the hidden hanger with the clip on this one. So we'll take this down to here, and we're going to start clipping the hangers in. I want to try to make this as simple as possible, not confusing. And you're going to do the hangers. I prefer to do it 2 foot maybe even a little under. This is about 2 foot. If you do it at 2 foot or maybe just a little under, it's going to be better. A couple dollars extra more to the job, but it's going to add a lot more strength to the gutter itself. Now this is my cutter. I'm going to cut the gutter. And now I have the gutter up on these rollers. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to jack this up so it doesn't roll away on me. Now you need to know where your downspout's going to go. I already have this measured where my downspout's going to go. What I have now is I have the drill and I have, this is called a hole saw. And the size of this hole saw is a 2 3/8 hole saw bit, and it's for metal. So you got this hole saw bit, and then you're going to have an outlet. This is called a pop-in outlet. You'll need one of these for a 2x3 downspout. That's what the customers have it installed. What you'll do is you'll come over here. Make sure you have a charged battery. That's going to be important. Luckily, I have another one on me. So we'll drop that there. And then here's your pop-in outlet. You're going to pop this in. It's a little tight going in. That's what you want. You want it to just clip in. It has these little ridges on the top of the outlet. When you push that in, it just really clips itself in place. And then what we'll do to finish off this run, you're going to need yourself an end cap. And this is a 5-inch gutter, and this is a 5-inch end cap. You're going to need yourself, for this gutter, since there's no miters, you're going to need a left and a right end cap, and that's what we have, a left and a right end cap. So we're going to put that outlet on, and these are called end cap crimpers. You can pick up at the building supply. You can even have them bring you a pair, because normally they'll keep these in stock. And what you'll do with the crimpers, you'll crimp it on the back, crimp it on the bottom, and then just give it a little tap. Make sure it's all the way seated, and then you'll crimp it there. And what we'll do is we'll go to the other side. As you can see, we slipped the end cap on. Just slides right onto the end. Then you have these crimpers. Just crimps that into place, and then you'll do the same thing with the bottom. And then right in the front. What I'm here now is I'm going to seal the gutter. Now what you're going to need yourself is, this is a GSL 2321. It's the gray GSL. If you're going to seal the gutter, this is the only gutter seal you're going to want to use. It's the GSL 2321 5-ounce squeeze tube. So what we'll do is make this a little fold there, and we're going to seal this end cap up. There's 3 different colors it comes in. It comes in white, gray, and it also will come in a clear. So now we're going to seal this end cap here. Same thing. And once that's sealed, we're going to go over to the outlet now, and we're going to seal this outlet. So we're going to run a bead of sealer around the outlet, just like that. So that's it there. Now we have a complete gutter. You know, this gutter is fully built, 17-foot, 2.5-inch gutter. You got your seamless gutter. Definitely recommend you get yourself a seamless run. If you don't have the machine, contact your local builder. You have your hang fast hangers, your right and left end caps, and you have your 2x3 outlet if you're doing a 2x3 downspout install. If you're doing a 3x4 downspout install, you would just switch over to a 3x4 outlet. We have the gutter all ran out. We have it all put together, and now I'm going to show you how to install it up against the fascia. What you'll need now, once you have the gutter all put together, main thing you're going to need obviously is your drill. The drill bit that you'll need, this is a 1/4-inch hex head drill bit. You'll need this to be able to screw in the hangers. I like to carry a belt with any other tools that I could possibly need, some extra screws, some extra hangers. We already have the gutter over here. And what we're going to do here now just going to take the gutter. This isn't a huge run, so you can easily put this up yourself. We don't really have to worry about aligning the gutter on the left or the right-hand side, left or right-hand side. We don't have to really worry about that because the gutter butts up against a wall. We're just going to butt it up against the wall the best we can, and we're going to get it up as high as we can on this one end. The one thing you're going to want to note is where's the downspout. We see that the downspouts on that side, so we're going to take this side up with this strip edge the best we can over there, and then we're just going to screw it in. Now that's basically it. You got the gutter up. I got a couple screws in here. I'm going to continue to align the gutter. And what you're going to want with a 17-inch, there's not an exact standard. Some will say maybe an inch drop. What you're really going to want to do is have a good visual slope. Not too much, because you really shouldn't notice the slope dramatically from the street. Not just proper installation. You want good curb appeal at the same time. We'll put the gutter up here. We'll make sure it's got a good angle. And if we're really not sure about the angle, depending on some roofs can be off alignment, we'll actually put a little water in the gutter. We'll water test it, make sure all the water is draining out of the gutter. Okay guys, now that you watched the video, hopefully it's answered the questions you have on installing gutters, or I should say, how to install gutters. Hopefully it's answered those questions. If for some reason you have more questions, shoot those comments down below. Don't forget to search throughout my channel. On my channel, you're going to find a lot of other how-to videos. You'll even find the gutter guard that we recommend that you install if a gutter guard is something that you're even looking to install, or maybe you're like, man, I don't even want a gutter guard because they don't work. Check out the videos on gutter guards. You might be surprised what you find out on them. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks a lot.